Most flood deaths occur in the...
That's recording!
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a flash flood warning for northern Calhoun County, northeastern Cleburne County, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Anniston, Jacksonville, Piedmont, Heflin, Sachs, Glencoe, Weaver, Ohatchee, Fruithurst, Edwardsville, Jacksonville State University, Alexandria, Mars Hills, Muscadine, Neely Henry Lake, Southside, Liberty Hill, Coleman Lake and Campground, Sweetwater Lake and Knighton's Crossroads. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. The National Weather Service in Birmingham